So hi guys, back here again. We're actually back from IKEA. We actually ended up spending 500 euros, which is a very good price and budget. So now we'll be heading to Tedi, and then maybe we'll be heading to Primark as well, just to see if there's something more that IKEA could not really, give us. So yeah, just tag along with us.
I'm tired.
We're tired actually. IKEA runs are not easy, man. They are not easy. So guys, you're finally at Tedi, and you can see what I was talking about. Just this is €1. Okay, so you can see that the price difference is what? It is obvious. But this is what we're talking about, and yeah, I think we'll just go for it.
You want it?
Yeah. We need 4. And maybe show them the mirror we bought. So this is the mirror.
There's a white one.
A white one?
White one as well. I thought you said you wanted the white one.
No, let me see. Okay, so we have this white one as well.
And this one? Yeah, I prefer this one in the living room.
Which one?
This one. Then this white one can be at the entrance, because the stuff down there is brown.
Okay. Okay, yeah, we can have that, and then
I'll put this inside that stuff.
And then I'll just have
How am I carrying it?
Yeah, you should have just left it there.
What's someone go and carry it? You're just crying.
Tell her that you're buying it, that she can keep it for you. So yeah, and as you can see, that was €7, guys. €7. So look at all of these as well. So nice. Let's see. I want to check something. Okay, so guys, apparently this is a universal price. We thought that this was actually cheaper, but it's the same price as in IKEA. So if you're going for some, but this one is, I think actually the same price, babe.
What?
So apparently this is the same price with IKEA.
Really?
Yes. So I'm trying to get the pom-pom grass. Unfortunately, some people are privileged to live on the countryside where they can actually get the pom-pom grass, but I am not, right? So I have to get it myself. I think I'm gonna mix like these two, or maybe not. Or maybe I'm a mix. So one is actually €3. So I was actually not correct about the fact that it was cheaper here, but we move. So I'm still with my pantry thing. So I found this. I think I can use this for salt, I can use this for sugar, I can use this for a lot of things. And it's just $1.50. So I think I'm just gonna buy like 4 of them, just to be on the safe side. And I mean, these are things that one would always need at home. Tell them, where are we?
Alexanderplatz.
We are in Alexanderplatz. We're gonna get some food, and we're also gonna just look around Primark. Wait, is that queue for what? Is that for the Primark?
Yeah.
Definitely not going in there, guys. You guys don't understand how tired I am. Like, we bought so many things at Tedi. I totally forgot to tell you, but I think I'll show you when we are finally taking care of our house. Guys, you can even see how I'm sweating, but I've eaten, so it's good. So we just came to Poco.
No, it's like 6 o'clock.
Guys, we left the house, what, 8:30 this morning?
Can you imagine? Microwave is just €79.
we totally forgot that there's something called Poco. But anyways, we just came here and we saw a fryer. The air fryer is on sale, and it's what, 30 euros, right? Yeah, 30 euros, guys. They're having like 70 or 50% sale on it. So it's just like, oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, finally, thanks to Tracy Ojabulu, I've been forced to buy air fryer because she has been tempting me. But yeah, finally we have air fryer on set.
I need you to have the link, the gel link.
So guys, now we're trying to fix the curtain, and the first thing that we had to do is to basically choose like the length we wanted, and it says that we have to iron it so it has like, you know, this kind of perfect shape. And then after that we'll have to like put the let's say the glue strip in between, like where we want it to stop and end, and then we'll have to have like a damp cloth on it and then iron on the damp cloth so that the glue strip can basically stick on both sides. So hopefully it goes well, but yeah, let's see.